What if I told you the future isn't coming? It's already here. In a small OC in China, an AI is learning to think, plan, and act on its own. It's called Manus AI, launched on March 5th, 2025. And it's not just another chatbot. It's a fully autonomous AI agent that doesn't need constant input. It just gets things done. Manus AI is the creation of Monica, a Chinese startup led by Xiaohong, the founder of Monica AI, an AI assistant with over 1 million users. But Manus is different. You give it a single task like plan a trip or build a website, and it handles everything. No back and forth, no micromanaging. This AI isn't just a tool, it works like a digital employee. The question is, are we ready for AI that doesn't just assist but acts on its own? Manus AI isn't just smart, it's proactive. Say you ask it, plan a 7-day Bali trip on a budget. Most AIs would give you a list of suggestions and stop there. But Manus searches flights, books hotels, maps out activities, and hands you a full itinerary with links. Job done, or take hiring. In one test, someone gave it 20 CEO resumes. Manus read them, ranked the candidates, and wrote detailed summaries like a professional recruiter. Another demo had it analyzing stocks and automatically generating an interactive website with insights. It doesn't just provide information, it delivers results. But what's the secret behind its power? It's not just one AI, it's a multi-agent system. Instead of a single model, Manus uses a team of specialized AIs working together. It taps into models like Anthropic's Claude and Alibaba's Qwen, fine-tuned for different tasks. It browses the web in real time, clicks on links, grabs data, and keeps running even if you log out. When it's done, it just pings you. And here's the big move. Parts of Manus AI will be open sourced later this year. That means developers worldwide could tweak and build on it, pushing AI automation even further. Xiaohong is the man behind Manus AI, a 2015 graduate from Huazhong University of Science and Technology with a strong track record in startups. He's joined by Ji Yichao, aka Peak Yichao Ji, a co-founder and chief scientist known for his work at Peak Labs in the US. Their team is small, spread across Beijing and Wuhan, with Chinese investors backing them quietly. The hype is unreal. Since its launch last week, invite codes are selling for over $5,000 on China's Xianyu marketplace. Is it real demand or just clever marketing? You decide. But is Manus AI really that good? They claim it outperforms OpenAI's deep research on the GAIA benchmark, a test of real-world AI intelligence. Early testers are raving. Andrew Wilkinson from Tiny praised its hiring skills, and Hugging Face's product head called it the most impressive AI tool he's tried. Social media is buzzing, with some saying this is the AI we were promised. Not everyone's convinced though. TechCrunch reports it struggles with real-world tasks like ordering food or booking flights. Critics say it's better for influencers as it is great at lists and travel plans, but not so much at deep technical work like coding. So, the verdict? Huge potential, but still rough around the edges. This isn't just about Manus, it's China making a bold move. After DeepSeek's GPT-4 rival in January and Alibaba's AI drop on March 6th, they're pushing hard to lead AI by 2030. Manus fits the strategy. Practical, autonomous, and cheaper than Western models. It's not about raw power, it's about getting things done. Silicon Valley isn't the only big player anymore. Right now, Manus is invite-only at manus.im, locked behind server limits with a bigger rollout teased soon. But concerns are real as it's cloud-based, built by a China-based team, and privacy questions are buzzing. It's registered in Singapore, but that doesn't stop the scrutiny. And its autonomy? It's impressive, but risky at the same time. If it messes up, who's responsible? Even China's strict AI rules might clip its wings. If Manus delivers, industries could flip. Recruiters, analysts, coders, I might outwork them all. But is it truly groundbreaking or just flashy? Some say it's more hype than substance, a demo built to impress. Still, the idea of an AI that acts, not just chats, is thrilling. So, what do you think? Is Manus the future or just another overhyped tool? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.